Hi children, how are you all? Hope you enjoyed the previous concept. Right children? Very good. Before going to next concept, as usual I am asking some questions based on previous concept. Right children? Instead of asking questions, now I will show the picture of photosynthesis. Okay children? See the picture? And what do you understand from that picture? Tell me. See, observe the picture children. What do you understand from this picture? How do these leaves get water, sunlight, chlorophyll and carbon dioxide to prepare the food? Right children? Yes, very good. This process is called photosynthesis. What is photosynthesis? In the presence of sunlight, leaves uses water, carbon dioxide, chlorophyll, prepares a kind of sugar and releases the oxygen. Right children? Very good. What are the end products in photosynthesis? Glucose and oxygen. Very good. What is the formula of glucose? C6H12O6. Right children? Very good. What is the formula of carbon dioxide? CO2. What is that? CO2. Very good. Here, if you observe that most of the plants have many green leaves. Right children? These all leaves prepares the food. But it uses some food for its survival. Remaining food, it converts into starch. This starch is stored in different plants. Different plants stores their extra food in different parts. Understood children? Already yesterday we discussed now. Can you remember that? Very good. Which plant stores their extra food in roots children? Carrot, beetroot, radish, etc. Very good. Which plant stores their extra food in flowers? Cauliflower, broccoli. Which plant stores their extra food in roots? Carrot, beetroot, radish. Which plant stores their extra food in seeds? Peas, beans, corn, etc. Understood children? Like this, different plants stores their extra food in different parts. Right children? Very good. Now, I'll show the picture. You can understand that which concept we are going to learn today. Okay children? See the picture? In this picture, the temperature is hot and the most of the area is covered with sand and we'll find only few plants. Right children? This is called desert. In deserts, only few plants will grow. The temperature is very hot and it has very little rainfall. Right children? Very good. Here, few plants are there, no children? Can you identify that plant? Yes. Which plant is it? It is a cactus plant. It is a cactus plant. Right children? If you observe that most of the plants have same type of parts like roots, stems, leaves, branches, fruits, etc. But if you observe that some plants are different than usual plants. Now see the picture children. It is a usual plant. See, chili plant is a usual plant. Like this, most of the plants have green leaves, stem, branches, roots, flowers, etc. But whereas unusual plants, the plants are different. Understood children? Here, observe the picture. In this picture, we will observe that some spines on that. And green part is there. At the same time, some spines we will observe. In these plants, the leaves are modified into spines. The stem is green in color. This green color stem contains the chlorophyll. So, it prepares food for the plants. In most of the plants, leaves prepares food for the plants. But in cactus plant, stem prepares food for the plant. So it is a unusual plant. Understood, children? Very good. Now I'll show the model of the unusual plant. How to make the model of unusual plant video. See, watch the video so that you can understand how to make the model of the cactus plant. Are you ready to watch the video, children? Very good. Children, did you enjoy the video? Yes? What do you learn from that? We learned how to make the model of the cactus plant with papers. Right, children? Very easy and interesting also. Everybody should try at home. Okay, children? Very good. At the same time, we discussed about unusual plants. Right, children? These unusual plants are 3 types. How many types, children? 3 types. What are they? Non-green plants, insectivorous plants, and parasitic plants. Non-green plants, insectivorous plants, and parasitic plants. 3 types of unusual plants are there. Understood, children? In these 3 types, today we will learn about non-green plants. Have you seen the non-green plants? Yes? Very good. Here, now I will show the non-green plants. See, what are non-green plants? The plants which are not in green. The plants are called non-green plants. Why these plants are not in green? Because in these plants chlorophyll is absent, so that these leaves are not in green. These plants are not in green. Understood, children? But these non-green plants are also living things. But if you observe that these plants are not in green color, these plants doesn't have leaves, how these plants prepares the food? These plants cannot prepare their food, but depends on dead and decayed plants. Understood, children? These plants will grow on dead and decayed plants, so they get food from them. Understood, children? Now I'll show one more picture, that is molds. You should observe the bread, children. On the bread, you will find from some blue color structures, right? That are molds. These molds grow on decayed food and plants. Understood, children? These are the examples for non-green plants. Mushrooms, molds. Mushrooms and molds. Understood, children? Now I will show the video of where these non-green plants grow and how these plants get their food. See the video so that you can understand the concept more. Okay, children? Are you ready to watch the video? Yes? Very good. Be ready.
Not all leaves are green. Some crotons have white, yellow, red or purple leaves. However, food is only made in the green areas of the leaf. Mushrooms and molds do not have chlorophyll, so they cannot make their own food. They absorb the food materials from the things on which they grow. For example, bread mold absorbs the food from the bread. Mushrooms grow on the barks of trees during the rainy season. They also grow on fallen, dead, and decayed leaves. They absorb the food materials from the substances on which they grow. Did you know plants help in preventing soil erosion?
Children, what do you understand from this video, children? Yes, you understand that where do these non-green plants grow and how these non-green plants get their food. Right, children? Very good. Now, I'll show one more picture. You should see the picture. It is a croton. It is a croton picture. This croton picture already I shown in first session. Right, children? These, if you observe the leaves of crotons, the crotons have different color leaves. Some crotons have white color leaves. Some crotons have yellow color leaves. Some crotons have red color leaves. Some crotons have purple color leaves. But these leaves also contain chlorophyll. But this chlorophyll is hidden in different color, so that these leaves are in different color. But these leaves also prepares their own food. Understood, children? Today we discussed about non-green plants, unusual plants. Right, children? Unusual plants. In unusual plants, we discussed about cactus plants, non-green plants, and crotons. Right, children? Based on this concept, we have terminology. I'll show the terminology words. These terminology words, we have only few terminology words in this concept. Understood, children? Here, unusual plants. UNUSUAL, unusual. PLANTS, plants, unusual plants. Non-green plants, NON, non, GREEN, non-green plants, 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 non-green plants. Understood, children? These are the terminology words for this concept. Right, children? Now, I'll show the model of mushrooms. How to make the model of the mushroom video, I'll show it so that you can make the model of the mushroom at home. Okay, children, are you ready to watch? Yes, children, what do you learn from that video? We learned how to make the button mushrooms model. Right, children? Yes, very good. Everybody should try at home and enjoy the concept. Okay, children? Have you tasted that mushrooms? Have you tasted the mushrooms, children? No? If it is possible, you can taste it, children, because these mushrooms also have nutrition values. These mushrooms also good for health. Now, I'll give the details of nutrition values present in mushrooms so that you can learn more and include in your diet. White mushrooms are low in calories and sugar. They are also high in protein and vitamin D, and they are a source of vitamin B12. Nutritional profile: calories 21, carbs 3 grams, fiber 1 gram, protein 3 grams, fat 0 grams, vitamin D 33% and selenium 16%, phosphorus 12%. These are the nutritional values of white mushrooms. Understood, children? Here, these white mushrooms are good for health. So, if it is possible, these mushrooms you can include in your diet because they have 0 fat, 0% fat, and at the same time they contain the vitamin D and B12 vitamins, so that it is good for our health. Understood, children? Did you understand the concept? Okay, based on this concept, I'll show the pictures. We will discuss picture talk. Okay, children? Yes. Now I'll show the picture. Be ready. See. Can you name this picture, children? It's a cactus plant. Very good. Write few sentences about this picture. Now you can't write no. You can write in your notebook. But you can guess the answer and tell me right now. Okay, children? Yes. Very good. Cactus plants' leaves are modified into spines. Stem prepares the food for plant. Understood, children? Very good. These are unusual plants. Now I'll show one more picture, children. See, observe the picture. Yes, observe the picture and tell me few sentences about this picture. Okay, children? Yes, tell me. These are non-green plants. These plants doesn't have chlorophyll. But these are living things. They grow on dead and decayed plants. So they get food from the dead and decayed plants. Right, children? Now I'll show one more picture. See, observe the picture. What do you observe in this picture? Molds. The blue color structures are molds. These molds are example for non-green plants. These molds also living things, but they depends on food for dead and decayed plants. Understood, children? Very good. Now I'll show one more picture. Observe the picture. It is a croton plant. In these plants, leaves are in which color, children? Yellow or red in color. Is this plants contains the chlorophyll? Yes, these plants contains the chlorophyll. Tell me few sentences about this picture. Yes, crotons have different color leaves. They also have chlorophyll, but this chlorophyll is hidden in different colors and it prepares the food. Right, children? Yes, very good. Now you understand the concept well. Right, children? Which concept we discussed? About unusual plants, cactus and non-green plants. Example for non-green plants, mushrooms and molds. And we discussed about crotons. Understood, children? Hope you understand the concept. Thank you.